meghalayapost.news.
Ban penyor halor ke jingrung jimi ki briu ki bana shabar ke jela kabade din baka Sorkar Assam kal pelong ye ke jing ran napang ye bawan ban syong ban sa be ain ha ke jela Assam ka Sorkar jela menta kasi kal pelong da ke jing lang ka bakar pang ban ye kren ne thir halor gilat ban ya da na ke jingwan rum thep ki briu ki bana shabar ke jela ya ke de jing lang lap nyai do menteri rang ba ke jela upon rat ke sang ma kat ke jing lang ki he officer Sorkar ban baro ki deputy commissioner na ki district ba pher ban ye kren ne perkhat halor ke ni benta bayodon ke jingta jong ke jingwan Poi Mynder ki basyabe na Assam sya kene ke jela ba markhab bat ke jela Assam kumbal pan pau do menteri rang ba ke jela lengba kene jelang larai bendon ke jing trelang naduk ki officer Sorkar ki nong ilam snong ki seng balang ki BDP hak snong ba pher ban pendik kana ba omde bendon kino ki jingrung tu ki briu ki basyabe na Assam ne na ki ki jela sya kene ke jela ke jongi ulapan pau lengba ke jing trelang ka Sorkar ka haban khampet ngor kerpang hak snong khaput ke Meghalaya bat Assam kata kalong bat pendik na ba kino ki basyong basa ba anya Assam kimde ban yo rung sya ke jela Meghalaya.
Today we had a meeting along with the Chief Secretary, DGP, Additional Chief Secretary Home, and officials from the political department and the Deputy Commissioners of different districts of our state. The purpose of this meeting was to discuss the overall effect of the recent eviction drive that has been taking place in the state of Assam. Based on that, the government has been continuously engaging with the deputy commissioners to ensure that the deputy commissioners further engage with the block level, the BDO officials, as well as the thanas, the police personnels, the VDPs in different villages, different NGOs, and different traditional heads. And all this communication and overall interaction is being done to ensure that there is no infiltration or movement that takes place because of the eviction that is taking place in Assam into our state of Meghalaya. There are certain vulnerable districts, especially bordering Assam and closer to the areas where the eviction drive in Assam is going on. Hence, special attention is being given in those districts. And we had, as I said, a review meeting today where all the officials involved were present, and we have been reported and informed that no incident has taken place in any of the districts, and that all the district administration, the police, the VDPs, the different village level committees, the different traditional heads, the different NGOs, all are being coordinated with to ensure that any information that we receive on any movement or any individuals coming in will be informed immediately to us and appropriate action will be taken. So a review took place today for that at my level, and we have given necessary instructions to be on alert, especially in the border areas, especially the ones that are bordering Assam, and especially the ones that are bordering the areas where the eviction drive is taking place. Thank you.
meghalayapost.news